Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Plug in the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker and set the empty tray ready. Measure water with the included cup to the marking that matches desired doneness. This controls steam and timing. Place the egg tray into the base, then gently pierce each egg's rounded end with the pin to release air. This reduces cracks. Why it matters? Correct water equals correct cook time, so accuracy here gives predictable yolks and minimal cleanup. Once eggs are pierced and in the tray, place the tray into the cooker and pour the measured water into the base. You'll see the small heating element and water reservoir. Close the lid firmly and flip the power switch. Steam will build and cook eggs evenly. Make sure to keep the cooker on a flat surface and avoid lifting during the cycle because heat loss changes timing. The unit will often click or signal when done. Allow a minute to stabilize before opening. When the cycle ends, immediately remove the lid away from your face to avoid steam. Use the included tray or tongs to lift eggs and transfer them to an ice or cold water bath for 1 to 2 minutes to halt cooking and ease peeling. For peeling, tap and roll each egg to create cracks and start at the air pocket. This reduces membrane sticking. If you notice cracks or undercooked yolks, make small water adjustments and confirm the lid seals tight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.